Search on the way for girls washed away in St. Mary River. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A search has been launched for two girls who were swept away while at a river in Jobs Hill, St. Mary, after washing with their relatives on Thursday. The search is said to continue today. The girls, Kiwana Ricketts, age 10, and Hallie Case Michael, age 14, were swept away during heavy downpour of rain on Thursday. As the river came down heavily, the police and residents have since been searching for the two girls. The two girls are said to be relatives. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.